Hello YouTube, welcome back to Web Gear Review. Today I want to take a look at this 1945 dated plywood packboard. Now these plywood packboards that you see right here, they started to come out around 1943 to replace the Yukon packboard. Now if you'll take a look at this thing here, you'll see that it had two straps. One strap was hooked with a buckle. The second strap right here had this quick release device on it, right here. So one side did have a quick release, and you just flip that little ring right there over it to retain it, to keep it from going. Notice on this one right here, I do have the extra pads, because without these pads on there, it's just that 2-inch wide canvas strip right there. Notice that it has this piece of canvas right here that is weaved all in there. And this here was for your back to rest, so ventilation could go up through there. It had these up here, and I'm not for sure exactly what these are for right here, but they can flip down out of your way and lock into place. It's probably also for part of the lashing rope, which you could keep up here. You can keep your rope up there, I guess, for something, but I'm not exactly for sure what those were for. But if you turn it around, it had 1, 2, 3, 4 openings. Notice how the backpack straps are actually, they're connected right here with rivets, but they're wrapped around here once to give it more support, and then these metal shelves here come with it. Now the way I understand it, these metal shelves here were basically, you could move these in any configuration along these hose, and they were for carrying heavy weapons. I'm going to have to do another little video on all the attachments to this pack, just because of the orientation of the camera, and you just can't see it all like this. So I'll just do this packboard, and then I'll do a quick one on the attachments. But anyway, heavy weapons could set up on here. You carry gas cans, jerry cans, water cans, ammunition. Now, these were made, the way I understand it, where you can stack these babies up like that, and you can carry, it helps support the ammo cans that you put. See, and you can set another one here, and there'd be 3 ammo cans. So you could carry a total of 3 50 caliber ammo cans or 30 caliber ammo cans, or whatever you wanted. But anyway, you could carry virtually about anything on these here packboards. But this is a really nice piece. I really like the plywood packboard quite a bit. Let me see if I can get this over here in the camera where you can see the date. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I also want to show you this this quick release buckle up close there, how it's built. This side just simply had a buckle. But anyway, there's the plywood packboard. These shelves come off right there. Now, when I bought this plywood packboard, I just bought this all by itself. I bought all the attachments and things separate and slowly collected them over the years to have a full set. Thanks for watching the Web Gear Review. Look at my plywood packboard loadout video also. Thanks for watching Web Gear Review.